This is an in-service training program presented by Nutrition Care Systems. Today's topic, gluten-free diet. Today's learning objectives: you will understand the definition of gluten and foods that contain gluten, understand the symptoms of gluten intolerance, and discuss how to avoid cross-contamination. What is gluten? Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. There are many products that contain gluten. Some of these include beer, cakes, pies, cereal, cookies, crackers, gravies, pasta, lunch meats, imitation meat, salad dressings, thickening agents, some candies, soy sauce, soups, and oats. It's important to read food labels to avoid serving food containing gluten to someone who might have a gluten insensitivity or celiac disease. What are the symptoms of gluten intolerance and/or celiac disease? There's a variety of gastrointestinal symptoms of gluten intolerance and celiac disease. Most people will complain of diarrhea, abdominal pain, bloating, but some people will have no symptoms at all. More severe symptoms are nutritional deficiencies, anemia, and osteoporosis. How can you avoid cross-contamination? Cross-contamination can occur if foods are prepared on the same surface or with maybe the same kitchen utensils that were not properly cleaned after being used to prepare gluten-containing foods. So you'll spread the gluten on some other product, and that's where the problem can be. It's important to use a separate toaster for gluten-free bread and gluten-containing bread, and use separate cutting boards for gluten-free food preparation. Let's take a short quiz on gluten-free diets. Number 1, which of the following foods contains gluten? A, cake, B, bread, C, soy sauce, or D, all of the above? And the answer to question number 1, which of the following foods contain gluten? And the answer is all of the above: cake, bread, and soy sauce. That's why it's really important to read the labels, because again, soy sauce might be one that you don't think has gluten in it. But just make sure you read the labels properly. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a symptom of gluten insensitivity or celiac disease? A, nutritional deficiencies, B, fever, C, abdominal pain, or D, diarrhea? And the answer to question number 2, which of the following is not a symptom of gluten insensitivity or celiac disease? And that would be B, fever. Question number 3, gluten is A, fat, B, carbohydrate, C, protein, or D, none of the above? And the answer to question number 3, gluten is a C, protein. Question number 4 is a true or false question. It is important to read food labels to determine whether a product contains gluten. Question number 4 is true. It's very important to read food labels. There are certain products that you might not think have gluten in them, so that's why it's very important to make sure you read those labels. Question number 5 is true or false. Cross-contamination is not a concern when preparing gluten-free foods. And the answer is false. Obviously, cross-contamination is a huge problem. You want to make sure that you use separate cutting boards, a different toaster, that type of thing. Thank you for your participation in today's program. Our goal is for you to use this information in your daily work. We hope you are well served today and every day. If you would like more information about our in-service training programs or dietitian consulting services, please contact us at Nutrition Care Systems, 800-761-9200, or nutritioncaresystems.com.